It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2021, 2022 Upper Deck Purple Box Hockey with Patty Kane on the box. This stuff is super cheap right now. This is selling for around $50 to $60 US as I record this. It is not stocked with a ton of great young guns. Reed Sider, Lucas Raymond are in here. There's not a lot beyond that. But Upper Deck is a fun break. Some cool inserts. We'll see what we can get. I mean, for a hobby box of Upper Deck for around $50, that's pretty good, I think. Pretty good, I think. Especially in the middle of the dog days of summer. Kind of just enjoying the weather outside if you can, if it's not excruciatingly hot for you or too smoky. Open up a cheap box of cards, remind you that hockey season is coming. Before you know it, it'll be here. We've got Logan Couture, Braden McNabb, Ryan Hartman, Peachy Marquee rookie of Benoit Oliver Grew, Kevin Fiala, Kyler Yamamoto, Mitch Marner, and Valerie Nichushkin. So we should pull 6 young guns in this box. Ilya Sorokin, Alexander Texier, Nino Niederreiter, and then we've got Jonah Gadjevich, young gun, Jake Gardner, Carey Price, Hampus Lindholm, and Colin Miller. Alexander Romanov, Ricky Rackle, Casey Middlestat, Connor Hellebuck, and a retro of Tanner Lazinski, Nikolai Ehlers, Anthony Beauvillier, and Eric Carlson. Casey Cizikas, John Leonard, Philip Ronick. Got a canvas of Victor Hedman, Sam Gagne, Robin Lehner, Kirby Doc, and Brady Shea. Alec Martinez, Calvin DeHaan, Andrei Svechnikov, Zach Cassian, marquee rookie of Taylor Radish, Dr. Dre, Kevin Shattenkirk, and Matt Duchene. Sam Steele, Dante Fabro, Owen Tippett. We've got a young gun of Jacob Bernard Docker. A superstar honor roll numbered to just 25 of William Eklund. That's got a really cool rainbow effect on it. Aaron Ekblad, Andrei Barkovsky, Johan Larsson. That's a pretty rare card there out of just 25. Bowen Byram, Ilya Lyubushkin, Chris Drager. There's a Blue Dazzler of Jordan Bennington, Matt Nieto, Mikhail Granlund, Zegmas Jurgensens, and Andreas Athanasiou. I don't know if it's coming through on the microphone or not, but there is a wicked thunderstorm rolling outside my house right now. Alexander Barkov, Austin Matthews, Mikko Rantanen, Andrew Kopp, and there's Ivan Prosvetov, marquee rookie, Cal Connor, Nick Paul, and Robert Thomas. Brady Tkachuk, Matthew Joseph, Kyle Okposo. There's Moritz Seider and Lucas Raymond, a Young Guns checklist. So they were probably the two best. Well, they both are on the same card. Victor Olofsson, Connor Murphy, Shesterkin, and Tyler Bertuzzi. Jonathan Taves, Ryan Strome, Bobby Fabry, Ryan McDonough. Looks like we got a blue marquee rookie of Jack Acan. Patrick Maroon, Gino Malkin, and Connor Sherry. John Marino, PK Subban. We've got a Nico Hischier. It's a nice, really neat picture on the front there. Yegor Sharangovich, Quinn Hughes, Connor Brown, and John Klingberg. Matthew Highmore, Matt Murray, Joe Pavelski, Jonathan Quick. We've got an upper deck portrait of Shane Pinto, Anze Kopitar, Brock Nelson, and Patrick Laine. About halfway done here. Nick Cousins, Chris Letang. We've got it. Oh, I don't have one of these. An NHL Passages of Bo Horvat. Guess that's kind of like Bo Horvat through time. It's a really cool looking card. PA 10. That is pretty awesome. I don't know what the odds are on these. Oh, and same pack, we got a Thomas Novak Young Guns, JVR, the Nuge, and Jonathan Drouin. That's a pretty cool box so far. Dylan Dubé, Anthony Duclair, Zach Aston Reese, Mike Smith, Alex Pietrangelo, Ryan Lindgren, Colton Sissons, and Jamie Benn. Did we miss? Oh, there we go. We got a French variant of Alex Pietrangelo. We missed that. The rating is very hard to see. Trying to get through the cards quick enough so people don't complain that I look at everyone, but also trying to catch all the details. Sometimes miss them. Arturi Lehkonen, Kevin Rooney, Yanni Kukkonen. Oh, we got our materials too out of the box. Mike Hardman. 2-color. Wow, this is a pretty stacked box. Jacob Markstrom and Pavel Zacha. Radek Faksa, Christopher Tanev, Matt Barzal, Michael Rasmussen. And there's a Young Gun canvas of Cole Sillinger. Dylan Larkin, Tyson Jost, and Braden Point. Natty Mack, Stammer, Asa Lindell. There's a Young Guns of Adam Ruzicka, Rupe Hintz. There's an Ovi, Colton Parayko, and Brandon Tanev. Ilya Samsonov, Marco Scandella, Ivan Barbashev, Jonas Brodin, a Superstar Honor Roll of Roman Josi, Gabe Velarde, Rudolph Spalsers, and Mark Stone. Brian O'Reilly, Paul Stastny, Hayden Fleury, a portrait of Lane Peterson, Pasta, Brock Besser, Zach Whitecloud, and Alex Killorn. Drake Batherson, Mike Riley, Travis Hamonic, Anthony Mantha. Got a Jake Neighbors retro marquee rookie. Nikita Zaitsev, Oliver Bjorkstrand, and Mark Giordano. Sorry, I had to take a sip of my water there. Nikita Kucherov, Nicholas Abe-Kubel, Vladislav Gavrikov, Young Guns of Yegor Shinikov, Brandon Carlo, Natty Mac and Dr. Dre Checklist, Tyler Mott, and Matt Dumba. Jamie Alexiak, Connor Clifton, Coochie Boochies and Ovi, Brandon Sutter, Sam Reinhart, Brian Rust, Yuso Valimaki, and Boone Jenner. Down on the farm. Joel Eriksson Ek, Alexander Barabarnov, tripped over that whole name. Alexander Barabanov, right. Jesper Fast. Brendan Gallagher, Canvas. Cam Talbot, Trent Frederick, Brandon Hagel, Nick Suzuki. Final pack. Corpusalo, Joel Armia, Taylor Hall, Patty Kane. Got a superstar honor roll of Tyler Seguin, Teddy Hockey, Mikhail Backlund, and Sam Bennett. And there you have it. That was a pretty good box, I think. 21-22 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.